We're delighted by our most recent 5-star review from one of our valued customers. Our team works hard to go the extra mile, so this type of review is very rewarding. A happy customer that leaves a review like this online ends up being a repeat customer, and that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and a new customer who reads 5-star reviews is a wise customer because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star customer service. We love our repeat customers, but we also love new customers, and we'd like that to be you. Give us a chance to show you what we can do. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.